Hi, this is Dax from Kadar Company. We were going to talk about today some of our large propane torches, some tips and tricks. We of course know that most people lose the directions or throw them away right away, so we're going to go through how to use the torch, how to light it properly. First thing you want to do, make sure that the needle valve on the handle is closed. Next, we're going to slowly open the propane tank. This allows gas to fill the hose all the way up to the valve. The next thing you want to do is get your striker, which comes with the torch, or I prefer a long-handled lighter like this, and you can slowly open the valve to get a little bit of gas out and then light the torch, and then you've got it on. As the torch is lit, you can adjust this valve then open to get a bigger and bigger flame, or you can use the boost valve to save fuel and just use the gas that when you need it. When we want to shut this off, first thing to do, shut off the needle valve. Then we're going to slowly close our tank. Be careful when you set these down because they will be very hot. Watch where you put it down. The next thing that we want to talk about is troubleshooting. Really, we only have one main problem that people run into. The connection to the tank has a built-in safety valve, and this will shut off excess flow if it senses too much flow. This usually happens when the needle valve is open, and then you open this, the gas rushes through the hose and then out the torch. It senses too much gas flow and cuts it off. It doesn't cut it off completely, but it cuts it off about 90%, so you only get a little flame. In order to reset that, again, shut off the needle valve, shut off your tank, then you want to disconnect this valve so it equalizes the pressure. This will release the pressure on the POL valve and reset the valve. Then, again, reconnect it to the tank, slowly open the tank so this line, again, fills back up with gas just to here, and then you can easily relight it. And that's how to reset it. One last tip that we're gonna recommend, a lot of people will use way too much gas. They'll try to burn the plants pretty much black when they're trying to kill weeds. You don't have to do that. All you need to do is singe the weeds. If you just wilt the plant, that plant will never recover and it will definitely die. So don't waste all your propane by burning the plants black. If you have any other questions, please go to our website. If you want to download a new manual, it's on our website as well. Thanks and have a great day.